Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim wa salatu wa salam ala Rasulillah Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. I just want to thank all the leaders in Pakistan that will have the green initiatives here and visited here today in our meetings, and I spent the most almost 2 hours time in this trip, and I've seen a lot of primary objectives that they are doing in ground about development of the lands and how they are biodiversity and our special impact on the social life of the communities, and also the importance of subsidiaries, how there's like a production of that lands, agricultural lands. So I was very happy actually to see all the mechanism of this kind of presenting about the structure of all the business itself. For all investors around the world, if they wanted to come and invest in Pakistan, I would readily see is the best way actually to deal with the company itself. And I hope very soon we'll be having spread over outside Pakistan and be implemented in most of the countries in the region and maybe in the world. As an investor here in Pakistan in agriculture, I'll be glad actually to be involved in their system, in their program actually, and to have our own farms and projects here in Pakistan to be promoted by initiatives here. We think that we always be in one hand together with the company here, and also for the future that will bring together, and for the sake of the production and the agriculture, the production of Pakistan. Inshallah, it will be helping them and be progressing for the moment.